my channel. So I know what you're thinking. You've been gone for a while. And honestly, that's a story for a whole other video. So let's stick with the main theme of this video, and it is Amazon. So I've noticed on my subscription page, pretty much everybody is filming lifestyle videos right now, which honestly, I'm totally here for, because doing fun, like crazy makeup is not something that I've been into, like, for a while now. And that's just a personal thing with me. It's just something that I'm going through, but it's like, I'm honestly so glad everyone else is kind of feeling the same way, because I am just not in the mood to film a tutorial or even watch one. What I am here for are Amazon essentials, like things that you need from Amazon. I'm obsessed with Amazon. My favorite thing about Amazon, honestly, how many times can I say Amazon during every time I say Amazon? Honestly, my favorite thing about having an Amazon account is the fact that you can get Prime shipping and it's there like the next day. Sometimes the same day. I have ordered things and they have arrived the exact same day. It's like they're watching. They are. So as far as my essentials for this video, I'm just going to be sharing the ones that have really helped me with like self-care, self-wellness, just anything to do with basically taking care of myself in any form or fashion. So I wanted to share the goodies that I have scoured Amazon for and the ones that I actually stand by that actually work and I've seen results from. So let's begin, shall we? I'm just going to grab what's in front of me, and the first thing that's sitting here is this little fella right here. So essentially all this is, it's a case full of things to play Dr. Pimple Popper with. As disgusting as that is, that's basically what this is. It's an extraction kit. One of the things that I've been really dealing with during my hiatus from YouTube is really bad skin, and I've been having to perform a lot of extractions on myself. I needed a kit to do it, you know, not like, so I don't end up like scarring myself or anything, you know, anything crazy. Like, I just needed basically a little professional kit that I can just go to town, and it's low-key really satisfying. Like, I used to think that show was so gross, but like, it's like a little bit satisfying. Okay, anyway. Okay, so speaking of acne, something that I've been dealing with a lot of over the last few months, I discovered this little product whenever I was in the midst of the worst acne that I have had in years. I figured I will try it. I have nothing to lose, right? Other than maybe a few dollars. These are hands down the most affordable, working, like functional blemish patches I've ever used. This particular pack I bought at Walmart for $2.50. However, Amazon sells a larger pack for, I do believe, a better deal. I will link it, obviously, in the description below, the one that you can buy off of Amazon, because I have went through almost 2 of these packages in a week. Guys, listen. Your girl has a lot of breakouts lately, okay? These I have coated my face in super thick moisturizers and whatnot throughout the night. Stayed in place, never moved once. They work really well. They draw out all the nasty impurities out of your skin. I don't understand the science. I don't know how it works. All I know is whenever I take it off in the morning, there's a gross white center of just all the shizamanelli that came out of my skin, and it's not my skin no more. So thank you to these guys right here. Well, since we're in the midst of skincare, I guess let's just keep going down the skincare route, shall we? Let me get this device out, because y'all, I got this makes me emotional. This kit makes me emotional. Okay, so what this little device is that I am pulling apart, and I'm gonna put on my favorite attachment. Okay, so what the heckin' bobble doodle is this device? This is called, bear with me, I have to read the name. No, wrong. I'm already reading the wrong one without even speaking. So this is a high frequency skin therapy wand. All those fancy terms mean you plug this in, turn it on, and it actually has an electrical current that comes through this glass right here and actually sends out like electrical wavelengths through this little conductor piece on your skin. And what it's actually doing is helping to promote cell renewal and just cell regeneration to help clear up blemishes or fine lines, what have you, on your skin. Okay, so this is what mine looks like. It came in a big kit like this. There are 4 attachments and of course the wand. So essentially you have a little like a spot corrector piece, like the one that I was actually holding up on the wand when I was showing you. I use it directly on top of acne and like any breakouts, blemishes, things of that nature. Now it does have kind of like an under eye and around the mouth little attachment. It really helps with fine lines around there. We have a whole face attachment, and then we have one that looks like a comb because that's exactly what it is. You can comb it through your hair and actually feel the wavelengths on your scalp, and it actually feels really cool. So this does have an adjustable strength. I definitely suggest starting out low whenever you first get it, because I shocked the bejesus out of myself. Okay, this is electrical currents. Okay, play nicely with yourself. I went balls to the wall whenever I first got it and nearly left my skin behind. I jumped so quickly. It freaking hurt. Why am I so out of focus? Hi! Hello! I'd like to apologize if the majority of this video is out of focus because we are not refilming it again. It took everything in my soul to sit down and film it this time. So that is this guy. Oh god, I love it. Like, I make fun of myself and saying, oh, I'm gonna go home and electrocute my skin tonight, but like, no, for real I am. Okay, continuing with the skincare theme. Is this truly an Amazon skincare favorites, essentials, whatever, if you don't have a facial steamer? Who are you, loser? This is mine. It's actually about, oh my god, everything's by the same brand! Hold on. Look. Same. Look. Same! Wow, I had no idea I was an advocate for this brand, but clearly I am. Their stuff really works! Hey, Pure. Get your girl up. So this is honestly nothing more than a facial steamer. Nothing crazy fancy. Mine has just a few options. I always put it on facial steamer because that's all I ever use it for. And I just put my face in it like this. Don't stare too long. Steam is hot. You will burn your eyeballs. Open up all my pores and then just lather on the skincare, sis. For real. If you're not using a facial steamer in your skincare routine, or at least like in your like super crazy like Sunday just day skincare routines, like come on, we don't have time to do this every day. Well, what are you doing? Come on. Honestly, I feel like most steamers do obviously the exact same thing. They heat up water and create steam. But I like this one because it's blue. But in the realm of wellness, I have just kind of been going crazy and ordering. Oh wait, no, there's one more face thing. Guys, I am full blown into like having a spa at my house. I never ever ever want to pay the ridiculous prices at a spa when I can do a lot of the stuff myself with a little bit of research. Crank it up. Look, I am your father. Is this not the coolest? So clearly I have an LED facial, like light therapy mask here. I'm just kind of playing with all the different colors, the different color variations. Oh god, that's beautiful. Okay. I think, whoop! I didn't know that function existed. Oh, it's just getting them all. Like I said, this isn't obviously an LED light therapy mask. Mine has a neck attachment that comes on and off. I usually leave it on because I feel like if my face needs it, so does my sad, sad little lobster neck. If you guys are really into taking care of yourself like I am, probably to an extreme, maybe a little bit extra, then you need this device in your life. They are pricey. Let me just start off by saying that. However, I love this thing. Like, I have really been seeing good results by using all of these products that I have mentioned to you and getting my skin under control. I really, really like this device. It has a timer on here. You can adjust how long you're going to be wearing the mask. You can adjust the brightness of the mask. You can adjust the colors of said mask. And of course, like I said, you can take this piece on and off, so the neck attachment doesn't have to be there. They come apart. My wires are just tangled. Now I do believe we've touched all of the skincare. I think. Okay, so anyway, jumping back into what I was talking about earlier, I feel like general wellness includes taking care of yourself physically on top of everything else. So I got this little weird contraption. This is a cervical spine like stabilizer. It really helps with pressure points in your C-spine. Really helps to break down muscle knots. This isn't a fancy device, y'all. Okay, you literally put head here, lay back, C-spine goes here, drop your head, so it's automatically going to be pushing down on this, and then this has a spring in it, so it's resisting back against you. So this is putting pressure up on you as you're putting pressure down. The first time that I ever laid down on that thing, I genuinely felt relief, like hardcore relief from neck pain and shoulder pain and back pain. within a few minutes. This fella right here. So sticking with the like body and physical wellness, this guy. Essentially what this is a knockoff like muscle like Theragun type thing. I was not about to drop $600 on a Theragun because that is absurd when I can buy something that probably works just as well for a fraction of the price. So this is a Pure Wave. I have seen, or before I ever purchased this, I saw a lot of ads for it because I was actually looking into the Theragun. And before I decided that's an absurd price to pay for something like this, I saw ads for this. And I watched many like testimonials and videos on this product before I ever bought it. And I am so glad that I bought it. I have, let's just talk about how disgusting I am for like a moment. I have plantar fasciitis. I have flat feet, and it gets really painful sometimes. One of the ways that I can cure that particular issue is actually with massage. And me sitting there doing it with my thumbs works, but this works better. So I'm gonna crank her on and just watch it go. It's moving so fast you can really tell it's moving. It comes with multiple attachments. This particular, or at least the particular order that I made, I do believe there's some out there that you can just get the gun and this particular attachment. However, I wanted all of them. There's like 6 or 7 attachments. This is actually a facial attachment. However, I love this, love all the attachments. This has been one of the greatest purchases, honestly, I've made this particular year as far as something to take care of myself. This one's a little odd, and I get it. But I just, like, wanted to try it out, okay? So, like, don't judge me. If I can get it out of the box. So this product that I'm talking about is a tongue scraper. Yeah, it does what it says, okay? It just scrapes your tongue. It is shaped weird. You just stick it on back, you know, there. And you pull forward, and it gets all the filth out of your tongue. And if you want to gag, watch yourself do this and see what comes out of just, ugh. That's all we're going to say about that. But it's nice. You have good breath after. Sticking with body care. One of the last things that I wanted to mention here is a shampoo. Now I have made, I think, 2 videos now on how I grew out my hair, how I take care of my hair. And one of the ways that I keep my blonde nice and vibrant is with this shampoo right here. Now I've definitely mentioned it before in previous videos. Now this is a Fanola No Yellow shampoo. There are some very platinum pieces in my hair that do still pick up on the purpleness of this said purple shampoo. I don't really mind that. Some people do. So if you do mind it, just don't leave it on your hair for very long. I leave it on my hair for about, I'd say 2 to 3 minutes. This is an extremely potent and powerful shampoo. I really wouldn't leave it on for too long. It's very drying to your hair, so I have to do a couple extra steps to kind of bring the moisture and, like, I don't know, just like shine back to my hair, because I feel like this can definitely dull it down. But anyway, I got this on, obviously, from Amazon, and I got it in like the jumbo bottle. It was definitely more expensive that way, but I feel like I'm never gonna run out of this. You need the tiniest amount of this particular shampoo to get the job done. All right, moving on to, I think, the very last item that I physically have here to show you guys. Like I said, if there's anything else worth mentioning, I will definitely link it down below. So something that I have really gotten more into over the past few months, where I've been taking a break from a lot of social media, especially obviously YouTube, was like my spiritual health. I'm a very spiritual person. I felt a lot of heaviness going on in my life, and I wanted a way to like kind of clean everything up, like get the good vibes back. And I got this. So this is just some Palo Santo. God, yeah, I mean, it's just bark from Palo Santo tree. Like, that's literally all it is. I just kind of like burn this, you know, it works as an incense. I just kind of burn it around my home, like just help clean up the vibe, keep everything chill over here, because sometimes it gets very unchill over here. So those are all the products that I wanted to show you guys here today. I had to jump on this Amazon train because y'all know the getting is good right now, and we have not. Am I getting, no, I'm getting worse as the video goes on. Y'all can tell that I haven't filmed in a while. And I say things like y'all now. So there's that. I want to thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm so sorry this is what we had to start off with. But if you would please do me the pleasure of subscribing to my channel down below. Give this video a thumbs up. It's over, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.